Welcome. In this video, we're going to take the derivative of y, which says that arctangent of e to the x. So let's see. So we need a formula for that type of derivative. So the formula is as follows. d dx of arctan of u is equal to u prime over 1 plus u squared. So knowing this formula, all we have to do is use this formula and we'll get the derivative. So the derivative is as follows. So remember, u is equal to e to the x, and u prime is going to equal to e to the x in this example. Okay, so we start dy dx is equal to u prime, which is e to the x over 1 plus, and then we have u squared, so it's e to the x squared, and that's equal to e to the x over 1 plus e to x. And that's our final answer. Thank you very much.